Alexa, what is cellulose?
A linear polysaccharide is known as cellulose, which consists of several hundred to many thousands of connected beta-D-glucose molecules. It is an organic compound with the formula N.
Alexa, how is cellulose used in manufacturing?
Here is an answer from an Alexa Answers contributor that I translated. Cellulose is a polymer of glucose, an organic substance composed of carbohydrates, which constitutes the main structural substance of plants. It is the main raw material for papermaking, fabric production, plastic films, explosives, and food additives.
Explosives, yikes. Alexa, is cellulose used in food?
Here's something I found on reference.com. Cellulose is an anti-caking agent used in a wide range of food products, including salad dressings, ice cream, and shredded cheese. Its function in shredded cheese is to prevent the bits from sticking together in clumps.
Alexa, is cellulose equivalent to tree fiber? Tree sawdust?
According to an Alexa Answers contributor, cellulose in food is mostly wood fiber.
Wood fiber, people. Alexa, how many manufacturers use cellulose?
From livestrong.com. In addition to occurring naturally in the foods you eat, it is also used in the manufacture of paper, fabric, plastic, and photographic film.
Alexa, what food companies use cellulose?
Cellulose is a common component of many food products, including breakfast cereals, ice cream, and frozen dinners. It is also used in the production of some medications and is a common additive in a variety of products, including toothpaste and skin creams. Cellulose is an important component of many products, and its use is widespread across a variety of industries.
Alexa, is cellulose used as a filler?
From Digest.com. Microcrystalline and powdered cellulose are used as drug fillers as well as thickeners, emulsifiers, and stabilizers in food.
Alexa, are there any studies on humans eating cellulose?
Here's something I found on Answers.com. No. Instead, cellulose might induce weight loss by prolonging the feeling of satiety. Cellulose is the main component of cell walls of plants. It has no taste and no calorie value. Humans cannot digest cellulose and so pass it to the colon from the small intestines. In the colon, cellulose absorbs water, increasing the size of the stool and making it softer. This way, cellulose helps the stool to pass through the colon easier, and therefore is helpful in the treatment and prevention of constipation, hemorrhoids, and diverticulosis.
Alexa, is cellulose used in Metamucil?
From verywellhealth.com. The two contain different active ingredients. Metamucil contains psyllium fiber, while Citracel contains methylcellulose fiber.
Alexa, is cellulose used in Kraft cheese?
From ibtimes.com. Organic Valley and Kraft both use modified cellulose powder in shredded cheese.
Alexa, are there any scientific studies on cellulose in humans?
From healthline.com. As for studies involving humans, a 2021 study found that long-term consumption of cellulose gum can alter levels of beneficial bacteria and nutrients in the gut.
Alexa, can cellulose fiber make your gut unbalanced?
From NIH.gov. Cellulose is generally recognized as dietary fiber with no limit of permissible quantity in food, and its consumption may modulate digestive content and impact positively on the gastrointestinal physiology and gut microflora.
Alexa, is cellulose used in explosives?
Here is an answer from an Alexa Answers contributor that I translated. Cellulose is a polymer of glucose, an organic substance composed of carbohydrates, which constitutes the main structural substance of plants. It is the main raw material for papermaking, fabric production, plastic films, explosives, and food additives.
Alexa, has Harvard done any medical studies on cellulose?
From Medscape.com. The study was supported by the Harvard Clinical and Translational Science Center and Harvard University.
Okay, that didn't really say. Alexa, how much cellulose should a human eat every day?
From verywellhealth.com. Try to eat about 5 to 7 servings daily.
Of what? Yeah, I don't think I'll be eating tree fiber and paper. Thanks. Alexa, please define cellulose one more time.
Here is an answer from an Alexa Answers contributor that I translated. Cellulose is a polymer of glucose, an organic substance composed of carbohydrates, which constitutes the main
Alexa,
structural.
what is a polymer?
The noun, polymer, can have a few meanings. 1. A compound of high molecular weight derived either by the addition of many smaller molecules, as polyethylene, or by the condensation of many smaller molecules with the elimination of water, alcohol, or the like, as nylon. 2. A compound formed from 2 or more polymeric compounds. 3. A product of polymerization.
Thank you. Okay. Look at your Parmesan cheese. Alexa, do companies use cellulose in Parmesan cheese?
According to an Alexa Answers contributor. Not wood as you might think of it, but a plant product, cellulose, is added to some shredded cheese to keep it from clumping.
Alexa, what anti-caking agents are used in food?
Anti-kicking agents are added to food to prevent the kicking or splashing of food particles during handling and consumption. Commonly used anti-kicking agents in food include starch, magnesium carbonate, and silica.
To be continued. Look at your ingredients. Have a nice day.